The next piece of information that you will need for customization is pricing tables. So if you look at the website on your solutions page, you'll see these pricing tables. How do we create those? And that's what I'm going to show you today. So on your dashboard again, so if you're in your dashboard, you would scroll down to pricing tables here on the left. And let's go ahead and look at the pricing tables that we've already created. So if you'll see here, we have basic coaching package, $4.95 a month, 3 coaching calls per month, full accountability support, and all that list. How do you create this? So what we do is we create add new, and you'll create your table name. And this is going to help you when you look at, again, pricing tables at this list, you'll see this is what you're naming it here. So it's very important that you know what you're naming. So go ahead and click add new. And let's just say VIP coaching program. And what's included in that program? These are your features. So 4 monthly private calls. And we suggest if you like the check boxes, go ahead and make this a checkbox and add new. And you just add your features, however many features you have. Private Facebook club, add new, maybe access to your forum. Again, we want to do checkbox. And you can add as many as you like. And then add table. So click add table. And what happens now is you'll see it ended up right here, VIP coaching program. You can't really do anything over it yet because you haven't added any columns or added customization. So the first thing you want to do is add a column. So you click on that and this appears. And this is going to give you a lot of options. So let's go through those real quick. So let's call this a VIP coaching program. It is, say, $9.95. And this is US, so we're going to put a dollar sign. And this is monthly. And we know it's for private monthly calls, private Facebook club, access your forum. All of that is included. Now, this is where your button text. What does it say? Buy now, get it now, anything you want to do here. And this is our link. This is the link that you would put in from your PayPal or from your page that you want to explain more. This would be the URL, you put it here. A ribbon, as you'll see, enter your package ribbon text here to make packages more attractive, like best, new, featured. So let's do featured. If I can spell. And then the pricing column colors. So you have the opportunity, as you see, as blue is what we're using here. But you could change that to any color you want just by clicking it, adjusting this over here, or just clicking one of the buttons below, and then the ribbon background color, which we'll look at. You can even change title color, price, font color, so many things that you can change here. And so let's go down. It's going to be customized again to your branding. So general settings, do you want to enable the pricing table? Well, yes, we want to show this. The table name, you could change it here if you wanted to. And you see, it says enlarge column on hover. What that means is when I hover over this, see how it gets bigger? And it gets it more attractive to people. So I always enlarge the column. I keep a shadow on highlight. You can, enable any of these you want to. We put a ribbon on there, so I'm going to say enable that. And enable link in new tab. This is always important too if you want to take people, not take them off your web page. And then we click on structural settings. I kind of keep these the same, but if you wanted to change the way it looks, then you can do that here. And then font settings, you can even change the font setting. And then you click add package. And you'll see when I add the package, it went from not being able to insert it to actually giving you a short code. Short codes, again, we use those to save us time. So what I would do is copy the short code, Control C, put it on my page, my solutions page. So let me just add a new page so I can show you how the short code is inserted. So let's say short code example. All I'm going to do now is paste that short code in here, okay? And as we learned earlier, we can have no sidebar down here is fine. default template, keep it like that, and click Publish. So now what we've done is we've created a short code example page. Let me type that in here. See, the URL is right here. I can copy this, put it in my URL in my box, and here we go. It's full screen, it's a feature, 95. Of course, we can make this different, but I'm just really quickly showing you how it works. And that's all there is to it, to adding a pricing table.